Everyone has opinions, every day, about life, about work, about people, about ideas. But many English learners feel scared when they want to express an opinion in English. They think, my English is not good. I may sound wrong. I may make mistakes. Today, I want to tell you something important. You do not need perfect English to express your opinion. You need simple words, clear thoughts, and calm confidence. Today, you will learn how to express your opinion in English naturally and easily. Let us start with a simple idea. An opinion is what you think or feel about something. It is not a fact. It is your personal view. English has many easy ways to show opinions. You do not need strong or difficult words. The most basic way to express an opinion is using simple sentences. For example, I think this is good. I think this is helpful. I think this is important. These sentences are very common, very natural, very safe. You can use them anywhere. Many learners worry about grammar. Forget grammar names. Just remember this structure. I think plus your idea. That is enough. For example, I think English practice should be daily. I think learning slowly is better. I think confidence matters more than speed. Now let us talk about soft opinions. Soft opinions sound polite, calm, respectful. They are very useful in conversations. You can say, I think this is a good idea. Or you can say, I feel this can help. Or you can say, in my opinion, this is useful. In my opinion is a very powerful phrase. It clearly shows that you are sharing your view, not forcing it. For example, in my opinion, daily practice is important. In my opinion, learning at home is effective. In my opinion, simple English is better. Now let us talk about using I feel. This phrase is emotional and gentle. It sounds friendly. For example, I feel this method works well. I feel English should be learned naturally. I feel calm when I speak slowly. This is perfect for daily conversations. Now let us talk about giving opinions in discussions. Sometimes people ask, what do you think? This is your chance. You do not need a long answer. Short answers sound confident. For example, I think it is a good idea. Or you can say, I feel it depends on the situation. Or you can say, in my opinion, it works for some people. Now let us talk about strong opinions. Strong opinions are clear, but not aggressive. Do not shout. Do not argue. Use calm words. For example, I strongly believe practice is necessary. Or you can say, I really think consistency is key. Or you can say, I believe confidence comes with time. Believe is a strong but respectful word. Now let us talk about agreeing politely. Expressing opinion also means agreeing. You can say, I agree with you. Or you can say, I think you are right. Or you can say, I feel the same way. These sentences are simple and powerful. Now let us talk about disagreeing politely. This is very important. You can disagree without being rude. For example, I see your point, but I think differently. Or you can say, I understand, but in my opinion, it is different. Or you can say, I respect your view, but I feel another way. Always start with respect. Now let us talk about opinions about daily life. This is the best practice. For example, I think mornings are peaceful. I feel working at night is tiring. In my opinion, walking daily is healthy. Talk about your real life. This builds fluency. Now let us talk about opinions at work or study. For example, I think this plan can work. I feel we need more time. In my opinion, teamwork is important. Simple language, clear message. Now let us talk about opinions in social situations. For example, I think this place is nice. I feel the food is good. In my opinion, this movie is interesting. Very common. Very useful. Now let us talk about giving reasons. You can add a simple reason after your opinion. Use because. For example, I think this is useful because it is simple. I feel this helps because it is practical. In my opinion, this works because it is consistent. Do not make it long. Now, let us talk about practicing opinions alone. This is very important for English learners. Sit alone. Ask yourself questions. Answer in English. For example, what do I think about learning English? I think it takes time. What do I feel about mistakes? I feel mistakes are normal. What is my opinion about daily practice? In my opinion, it is necessary. This builds thinking in English. Now let us talk about speaking opinions aloud. Speak slowly, clearly, even alone. For example, I think I am improving. I feel more confident today. In my opinion, calm practice helps. This trains your voice. Now let us talk about avoiding fear words. Do not say, my English is bad. Instead, say, I am learning. Do not say, I cannot express myself. Say, I am improving step by step. Your mindset changes your language. Now let us talk about expressing opinion without pressure. You do not need to be perfect. You can say, this is just my opinion. Or you can say, this is how I feel right now. This removes pressure. Now, let us talk about listening to others' opinions. This helps you learn new phrases. When you listen, notice how people start their sentences. Now, let us practice full opinion sentences. I think learning English at home is effective because it is comfortable. In my opinion, speaking daily is more important than grammar. I feel confidence grows with practice. I believe slow learning is strong learning. Repeat these sentences. Now let us talk about confidence. Confidence does not come from big words. It comes from clarity. Speak what you mean, simply. Now let us talk about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Express your opinion even if it is not perfect. Now let us talk about daily habit. Every day express one opinion in English. About anything. Weather. Food. Your day. For example, I think today was calm. I feel tired but satisfied. In my opinion, today was productive. This small habit changes everything. Now remember this, your opinion matters. Your voice matters. English is just a tool. Use it. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak honestly. You do not need approval. You need expression. Practice daily. Stay calm. Trust your progress. You are learning English. You are expressing yourself. You are improving every day.